wisdom you will gain from this video will save you a lot of stress. As somebody that wants to go to university, that want to further your education, there are some courses that you cannot do without. There are some courses that demands very high cutoff mark. So I'm going to give you those 7 courses. There are about 7 of them that the cutoff mark is really very high. Okay, number 1 is, before I even give you the number 1, as the competition for admission into Nigerian universities intensify, some courses continue to stand out for their consistently high cutoff marks in the JAMB UTME exam. In 2025, several programs remain highly sought out for. You know, what makes a subject to have very high cutoff mark is the number of people looking for it. A subject like fishery may not be compared to somebody that want to do law, right? Because we should have more people going to law than people wanting to do fishery, okay? Several programs remain highly sought after, attracting thousands of top performing candidates. These courses demand not just strong UTME scores, but also excellent O-level results. For these courses, I'm going to mention them. You need to perform well in your JAMB. If there are universities that are doing post-UTME, you also need to do well there. Then you now also need to very much do well in your WAEC. The number 1, the chief, the barber of all of them is medicine and surgery. Every course that is related to medicine and surgery. Medicine and surgery is always the most competitive course in Nigeria because many students dream to become doctors. Somebody say, I want to be mother of a doctor. I want to be, my child must be a doctor. My daughter must be a nurse and all the rest. Because of the quest for the course, it has limited slots in many tertiary institutions, if not all. Hence, it comes with strict quotas because many people want to do that particular course, and a university cannot accept beyond a certain number. So the competition is much for the course. Students who apply for medicine and surgery are expected to score 280 and above in their UTME and have 5 credits in their WAEC or GCE in subjects such as English language, mathematics, biology, chemistry, and physics. Right? So any course that is medicine related, just prepare yourself that the cutoff mark cannot be low. The cutoff mark is always 280 and above, a minimum of 280 and above. So if you put this course, any medicine related course, whether it's nursing, pharmacy, medicine, surgery, and all the rest, and you got like 220, you can consider going for something else, change of course or change of institution. The number 2 of them all is law. Somebody say law. Where are all the law students? Come here, come close. Law is another highly competitive course in Nigeria. Many students aspire to become lawyers in the country because of the respect, career opportunity and social status that comes with it. So there is this competition. I have a student that passed through our school, Noble High School here in Enugu, that her dream is to be a lawyer. Right? There are many. I also met a student that just wrote WAEC and she wants to do law. So the competition for law is much. You can't compare the competition for law and the competition for, say, public administration. Do you understand? Okay, that is why the cutoff mark is also very high. The next is pharmacy. Pharmacy is highly respected course in Nigeria. If you say you're a pharmacist, of course, the respect people have for you will highly increase because of the job opportunities and financial reward. And all these medicine related course, you can travel abroad with it. You can, there are many countries that will welcome you with their full hand. You can japa like a Beppo in Lekki Headmaster. Pharmacy is a highly respected course in Nigeria because of the job opportunities and financial rewards. Graduates of the course can work in any healthcare institution, organization, and has job security. You hardly see somebody that did pharmacy that said they are not eating well. To secure admission in pharmacy, students are expected to score 270 and above in the UTME and must have at least 5 credits in subjects such as English language, mathematics, biology, physics, and chemistry. That is for the O level. So if you are targeting pharmacy, and you should know what it takes. It's not child's play. Another one is nursing science. Nursing sciences. Nursing science is one of the fastest growing professions in Nigeria. Nursing as a career has global job opportunities and financial reward and stability, right? Globally, whether in the UK, in US, in Nigeria, I mean, the opportunities for a nurse is limitless. I can assure you that. Students applying for nursing science are expected to score 260 and above in their UTME. Besides, they must have 5 credits in subjects such as English, biology, chemistry, physics, and mathematics for their WAEC, NECO, GCE, for their O level. Okay? Now, another subject that require high cutoff mark is, let's go on. Accounting. Pay attention, oh. By the way, if you are having any issue with your own course, if you have any question, just feel free to let me know, right? If you are confused about this institution to go for, whether you should do change of course, whether you should change of course, change of institution, and all the rest, just become a member of our YouTube channel. Then you can ask me your questions. Accounting remains one of the most sought after courses in Nigeria because of its job opportunities. I mean, almost every organization, both public and private, needs an accountant. Career flexibility and professional certification such as ICANN. Students are expected to score 250 and above in the UTME to be considered for admission. In addition, they must have 5 credits in subjects such as English language, mathematics, economics, financial accounting, and any other subject, either economics, marketing, civic education, for their WAEC. Of course, this is very, very crucial. Okay. Now, the 6th out of the 7 is computer. You know, me, I did computer engineering in school. And why did I do computer? Right now, I don't practice what I did. I'm a school proprietor of Noble Group of Schools. But then, why did I do computer engineering? I was doing it because I was told by my uncle that anything computer is money. I was young now. I entered school at 19, okay? With the surge in technology boom, computer science has become one of the most in-demand courses in Nigeria. To qualify for admission, students are expected to score 250 and above in their UTME. Besides, they must have 5 credits in subjects such as English language, mathematics, physics, computer studies, and any other subjects. Are you following? Do you clearly understand? Then, beyond that, the next subject, which is crucial, is economics. Say economics. Somebody say economics for the art students. This is the 7th one. Economics is one of the most competitive courses in Nigeria tertiary institution. Because of its relevance in society, economics is very relevant. And the job opportunities that come with studying the course. Students applying for economics are expected to score 250 and above in UTME to dream of gaining admission. Moreover, they must have at least 5 credits in subjects like English, maths, economics, government, commerce, and any other subjects, let's say literature or civic education and all the rest. Now, the courses I mentioned, remember, economics, economics. The next one is computer science. The next one is accounting. The next on the list is nursing sciences. The next on the list is pharmacy. The next on the list is law. Somebody say law. I put it to you. Law. The next on the list is medicine and surgery. These are the subjects that demand very high cutoff mark. You can also tell me the course you are looking for. And if you want me to tell you the cutoff mark, I could also do the research for you. Remember to join our YouTube channel. Click on join and become a member of our YouTube channel. Once you are becoming a member, then like this video, click on like this video, share this video, click on share this video, and then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Type what? I have subscribed. Once I see the type of subscribe, we will keep talking together.